Yeah, she say she love me, I don't think it's true. She say it 24/7, I call it deja vu. She give me hints on love, we playing guess who. Now she screaming vows in bed like, oh you. I got heart for her, but I don't love her yet. I fuck her doggy style like she my fucking pet. When I'm done hitting, I wipe off my sweat. She said if I give her head, she give me mine, well that's a bet. Love work in mysterious ways, I wonder why. When I broke her heart, all she did was sit and cry. I didn't know what to say, so that's a big sigh. My name is Lil Thug, I'm that fucking guy. She say she can't sleep when I'm not by her side. Whenever I need a shawty, I know she down to ride. She stay fancy with it, so nice and clean. I'm up all night, I can't go to sleep.
Stop fretting, cause you know you own me. I'm the reason this girl cannot get no taste. I'm the one that she wanna do a ride. I'm the one she call to come and lay it right. She can't sleep, she loves me. She wants me, she loves me. She can't sleep, she loves me.
I'ma do you right, kiss your body, hug you tight. Up and down this roller coaster, many girls can't even ride. But on that real shit, I want you to be mine. Speaking like you my motherfucking Valentine. Girl, you make me laugh, girl, you make me smile. You can be the right one to give me a child. Spend our lives together, as long as you stay true. Cause I don't need no flawed bitch growing in you. Take you out to splurge, treat you like a queen. You got a little attitude that a nigga need. Sweet and sassy, got a nigga laughing. Can't take you serious, cause you stay smiling. Even when we kiss, I get a great excitement. Beat it up, no control, girl, you know you like it. You'll know we finished when she exit the ride, and I'ma lay up on my back to it over slide.